Start. Good evening to all. I am Sindra Savi from class 12. So as you all know, today we are gathered here for presentation. So today here my topic is accounting ratios. So the first question is arises, what is ratio? A ratio is an arithmetical expression of relationship between two interconnected or related items. When we calculate ratio on accounting information, so it is called accounting ratios. Accounting ratios are classified into four categories. The first one is liquidity ratio. What is liquidity ratio? Liquidity ratios are those ratios which shows the ability of an enterprise to meet its short-term financial obligations. Here are two types of liquidity ratio. The first one is current ratio. Current ratio shows the relationship between current assets and current liabilities. The second ratio is quick ratio. Quick ratio shows the relationship between quick assets and current liabilities. Now come to our second ratio, which is solvency ratio. Solvency ratios are those ratios which shows the ability of an enterprise to meet its long-term financial obligations. Here are four types of solvency ratio. The first one is debt to equity ratio. Debt to equity ratio shows the relationship between debt and equity, which is shareholder fund. The second ratio is total assets to debt ratio. This shows the relationship between total assets and debts, long-term debts. Third ratio is profitability ratio. Profitability ratio shows the relationship between shareholder fund and total assets. Fourth ratio is interest coverage ratio. This shows the relationship between profit before interest tax and interest on long-term debts. Now let's talk about our third ratio, which is activity or turnover ratio. Before explaining this, I would like to tell you one thing. This ratio is expressed in terms of times. So basically, turnover ratios are those ratios which shows how efficiently a company uses its resources. Turnover ratios are four types. The first one is inventory turnover ratio. This ratio shows the relationship between COGS, that is cost of goods sold, and average inventory. Next ratio is trade receivable turnover ratio. This ratio shows the relationship between net credit sales and average trade receivable. The third ratio is trade payable turnover ratio. This ratio shows the relationship between net credit purchase and average trade payable. The fourth ratio is working capital turnover ratio. This ratio shows the relationship between sales and working capital. Now let's discuss about our last topic, which is profitability ratio. Profitability ratios are expressed in terms of percentage. Profitability refers to the financial performance of the business. Here are five types of profitability ratios. The first one is gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio establishes the relationship between gross profit and sales, and the formula is gross profit divided by sales multiplied by 100. Second ratio is net profit ratio. This establishes the relationship between net after tax divided by sales multiplied by 100. The third ratio is operating ratio. Operating ratio shows the relationship between operating cost and sales, and the formula is operating cost divided by sales multiplied by 100. Fourth ratio is operating profit ratio. This ratio shows the relationship between operating profit and sales, and the formula is operating profit divided by sales multiplied by 100. The last ratio is return on investment or capital employed ratio. This ratio shows the relationship between profit before interest, tax and capital employed. The formula is ROI, that is return on investment, equal to profit before interest, tax divided by capital employed multiplied by 100. So this is my whole of presentation. Hope you like it. Thank you.
What is working capital?
Working capital is the difference between current assets and current liabilities.
Quick ratio, current ratio में क्या difference है?
Quick ratio is the difference between quick assets and current liabilities, and current ratio is the difference between current assets and current liabilities. Quick assets और current ratio में quick ratio और current ratio. What is the main difference?
Inventory का.
Formula. What?
Inventory का difference होता है इसमें.
Sorry. Ideal quick ratio का 1:1.
Equity shareholder fund किसके equal होता है?
Equity shareholder fund share capital plus reserve and surplus.
Debt और equity में क्या difference है?
Debt is the sum of long-term borrowings and long-term provisions, and equity is the sum of share capital and reserve and surplus.
Liquidity ratio में only current assets और current liabilities गिनेंगे. Why only current?
Because it is current ratio to find the current value of our business. Current ratio.